Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the Unionbank Rewards Platinum Credit Card 2025. If you're looking for a credit card that maximizes your rewards and offers incredible benefits, you won't want to miss it. Key features: earn points on every purchase. With this card, you earn 1 point for every 30 pesos spent. Plus, enjoy triple points when during both locally and internationally. Flexible redemption options. Your points can be redeemed anytime for cash credit, merchandise, gadgets, and more. The flexibility makes it easy to benefit from your spending. Virtual card for online shopping. Once approved, you can start shopping online immediately with a virtual card, making it convenient for your digital purchases. Travel benefits and insurance. Use your card for travel expenses and enjoy credit insurance that covers up to 400,000 pesos in case of unexpected events like disability or untimely death. Longer credit terms. Enjoy up to 53 days of interest-free credit if you pay your full balance on time. Additional perks. Cash advances. You need cash, you can easily access cash advances at ATMs worldwide. 24/7 customer service. Have questions or need assistance? Unionbank offers round-the-clock customer service. Exclusive discounts. Get access to special discounts at various restaurants and shopping outlets. The Unionbank Rewards Platinum Credit Card is more than just a payment method. It's a tool designed to enhance your lifestyle with rewards and benefits tailored for savvy spenders. Whether you are dining out, shopping online, or traveling the world, this card has you covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials and financial tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.